Hi, I'm Flight Officer Paramedic Matt Calcutt of the California Highway Patrol. Today we're with Search and Rescue volunteer and mountain guide Logan Talbot from Alpenglow Expeditions. He's going to give you some tips on how to travel in the backcountry and use your cell phone in case of an emergency.
Hi there, my name is Logan and I'm here to talk about how phones can really help us out in an emergency. We all use our phones for many things in life, but few people realize how useful they can be when we travel into the backcountry. Today we're going to talk about finding our location coordinates on our phones. Before I start, ask yourself, do I know how to quickly find my GPS coordinates on my smartphone? More often than not, the answer is no, especially if you don't have access to the internet. Many times we may just have enough cell service to get a text out or two, but not enough to provide data for our multitude of apps. Imagine the predicament. Darkness has fallen, and your afternoon hike or ski tour has turned into an epic. Cell service is spotty, but texting works. Your friend or family returns your text and asks, "Where are you?" Being able to quickly text them your GPS coordinates could be the difference between a small epic and a full-blown search and rescue mission. If you have an iPhone, simply open up the built-in compass app and you will see your lat-long coordinates. If you don't see them, you need to turn on your location services for the compass in Settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services, then Compass. Toggle from Never to While using the app. Then you can simply hold your finger on the coordinates in the compass and click Copy. Then paste it into a text and bingo, the world knows where you are. If you have an Android device like a Samsung, simply open up Google Maps. You will see the location on the map in the form of a blue dot. Push and hold at this location and a red pin will appear. Your coordinates will be displayed in the search bar.